Hey everybody, welcome back to SV Blown Away. Great news, we are back on anchor. And just in case you missed it, a quick recap on last week's video. We had made a panel for our new instruments and now we are waiting for delivery. We are Natalie, Ian and Nelson, and we live a life less ordinary.
And both you and I should be too shy about letting go.
What's happening?
We're on the move. We are Oscar and Mike.
It's the 12th of February in 2022 and we have just left
After 2
Odyssey.
months.
Yeah.
2 months in the marina. We've done some of the jobs we wanted to do, but not all of them. We still have the big jobs like the coach roof to rebuild and the windows to pop out, but we just have not had the weather to get that done. It's been the coldest winter in Greece for 30 years, I think, somewhere.
Yeah, lots of snow.
Lots of snow. Not here. We didn't get snow here, fortunately, because I don't like snow. But yeah, just cold. Too cold for epoxy.
But look at the weather today. It's a little bit cloudy, but a little bit of sunshine, dead flat water, and we're very excited about going back to anchor. Very excited.
Flatliner me. Don't do excitement.
The excitement.
Back on anchor. Unfortunately, it is not a particularly nice day. Miserable, actually. As you can see, it's been raining. There's no wind. There's no sunshine, which means there's no power. So I need to put some petrol in a generator, and I need to run a generator, or we're going to have flat batteries. Doesn't happen very often. It's pretty chilly. Certainly shouldn't be out here in a pair of shorts. It doesn't matter how many solar panels you have, how many wind generators you have, because if there's no sunshine and there's no wind, then there's no power, and that might happen twice a year. But that's what we've got now, and that's what we've got for the next few days, so running a generator. And the girls are back. Girls are back.
It was raining at 7:30 in the morning, so I didn't bother waiting.
Oh, well, it felt naturally. Good news is the kettle's on.
Yes. February 2022 and the weather is lovely and we're in tranquil bay, so everything is perfectly still and the boat is just like slowly turning in the current.
Go, go, go the boat, get the dog ashore, merrily, 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 before he shits some more. Yes, it is a rather lovely day.
Isn't it just?
I do like it here.
Yeah.
Hot anchorage. I am looking forward to leaving. We're only here for a couple of days.
Ocean As every ocean come as rain, I know my circles, I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh, oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity. Growing love. Hello, my borders. Hello again. You're out of order. I'm out of pain. We're closing circles. We got no end. Another sequel about to land. Oh, oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity.
We had a couple of really peaceful nights in Nigeria. I really quite like Tranquil Bay, but we can't stay here all the time. We've got work to do. We've had a couple of days of rest, and now it's time to get moving. We had a call to let us know that our parts had arrived, and we need to collect them. So we are heading towards Lefkas, where we will hire a car, and we will drive to Actio Marine to pick up our autopilot pieces. Another stressful day. My life sucks. Need to flat that back. Put some paint on that as well, don't I?
Oh, in black.
It's supposed to be like a crew uniform.
Well, you didn't tell me what colour I had to wear.
I've just gone to use the hot water tap and had no hot water. Considering the engine's running, we should have hot water. And this is where it comes back to knowing your boat. First thing I did was switch the water pump off. So the switch that's here, I've killed it. And this is the reason why. Because so we've had a hose blow off. So that would have just carried on pumping fresh water into the bilges until the alarm went off. But literally I got to it that fast. Know your boat. Another job to do. Flooded this compartment, so this is it. This is the only compartment that's flooded, and this feeds into the bilge. So the pump will kick in and get rid of it, but a bit irritating. Hey guys, so after being in sleepy Meganisi for a couple of months, we're not used to traffic noise and stuff, street lights, that kind of stuff. And now we're in Lefkada. It's like sleeping next to a motorway. What are we doing, Nat?
Well, as you know, Ian has just made this new instrument panel.
It's like Christmas come early, Nat. What happened?
Ian's been collecting autopilot bits.
As the light fades in your eyes and you take that final breath, I thought they were delivering it today. And once again this week, coming in with another coffee is Tim. Thank you very much, Tim, much appreciated. And if anyone else out there is interested in helping us with making these videos, your assistance would be gratefully received. And the links are under the video. Hey! New merch!
New merch!
We got merch!
Hang on. Now I'm going to pick a cigarette.
Use some of my deodorant to get rid of the smell of tobacco. Way faster than fixing a name out.